Hi guys, nasa Ximending kami at look at that. Ang lamig guys, ang lamig. It's really winter here. Ang ganda ng weather. Winter siya pero tolerable naman siya. Tapos kami guys, stroll lang kami dito sa Ximending area. Today ay December 31. And yan, maghanap kami ng Christmas gifts kasi wala kaming gifts sa isa't isa. Grabe yung pila ng Pop Mart guys, oh. If you're planning to buy Pop Mart, sobrang haba ng pila. I'm not a fan ng Pop Mart or yung mga dilulo. Dilulo ba yun? Sorry, labubo pala. Tapos, oh my god, yung pila ng famous na milk tea whatsoever. Ayun, oh. Ayun, Shin Putang pala guys yan. Shin Putang naman, oh. Haba ng pila guys. Where are we going? Skechers, ang dami.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second, there is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, where you at, where you been, tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so.
Guys, kakatapos lang namin kumain sa Sukiya. Sobrang kailangan kasi namin talaga yung medyo food na medyo panlasa namin. So, kumain kami sa Sukiya guys. Parang 190 pesos lang yung nagastos namin each. Tapos nandito si Carl pumipila sa Wuti, World of Outstanding Tea. Then, ito yung aming harapan. So, as you can see, there's a donkey dyan. Tapos, merong Nike store. Ayan. You know, yung Taiwan, guys, is, there's a lot of resemblance in Japan. Kasi, did you know na yung Japan, ay yung unang bansang sinakop na na-colonize ni Japan ay si Taiwan? Yes, that's true, guys. Ang unang nasakop na bansa ni Japan nung World War Cameroon ay ang Taiwan. So there's a lot of resemblance between Japan and Taiwan kasi nasakop nila to nung unang panahon before siya naging Republic of China, kung kailan man yan. So you can check the history, guys. If mali ako, then sorry. Yan guys, ang lamig ngayon. Kita mo mga naka-winter jacket. Later, bye!
What's your mind's at? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right.
Diba guys, na napupulman niya na yung asawa ko.
Guys, babalik pa na kami ngayon ng Ximending para mag-shopping.
What's your mind's at? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here, right now, right here. I'm not thinking about how long it's gonna take now. I'm just thinking about our lives. You and me just laying blankets on the beach, and then at night I'll sing your favorite lullaby. I'm so glad I didn't give up easy, chasing after you. Hello, where you at, where you been, tell me everything about you. Go
So yun, hindi na tayo papasok sa loob. Ito lang tayo sa labas.
Guys, I'm done with the second street. Unfortunately, wala akong nabili kasi wala akong nagustuhan. Masyado siyang expensive para sa kanyang itsura. Ganon. Alam mo yun, maganda naman, yes. Mura siya, pero yung itsura niya, parang hindi worth it na ganon yung bilhin mo. So, I'm going out na. Titingnan ko si Card kung saan siya pumunta. Sa McDo daw siya. So, So yun guys, mura naman siya guys kung bet nyo, pero not for me muna. Hi guys, we're back in Ximending and we're going to Ximending Night Market. We're going to end Taipei 101 later for the New Year countdown. So right now I'm wearing a heavy jacket from Giordano. This is for winter talaga. And because it's so fucking cold. And I'm wearing a Uniqlo Heat Tech. Wala na akong inner, yun. And then my Giordano down jacket. And yeah guys, see you later. I'll show you the Ximending Night Market. Hi guys, nasa Ximending area tayo and we're going to find something to eat. Siguro dinner na to. Yan guys, ito yung Ximending area.
Starbucks.
Kain muna. Guys, I'm trying the xiaolongbao and so far it's good. Iba lang yung sauce niya. Parang wala siyang ginger.
Out of 10, Han.
Yeah. Out of 10 with the price. Ay,
Sabi ko na eh.
Hop into the cockpit, I can be a rocket. Hey, fly. So what have you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, 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 oh. What's your mind's at? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here, right now. Right here. I'm not thinking about how long it's gonna take now.
guys, recap. After so many years, nasa Taipei 101 pa rin kami and dito kami magse-celebrate ng New Year countdown. Tapos, yun nga guys, galing kami ng Ximending. After namin ng Ximending, pumunta kami ng Taipei 101 para mag-dinner. Hindi kami nakahanap ng matinong kakainan kasi sobrang crowded, sobrang daming tao. Ang aga nag-close ng Din Tai Fung, even Starbucks nag-close sila ng maaga. So, yes. Doon kami kumain sa local restaurant. Local dine-in na kainan siya. Na sobrang mura niya, pero mukhang worth it naman. And then after nung pumasok kami ng Taipei 101 building, nandito na kami, nagtingin kami ng Zara. Almost 60% ang mga damit, but still mas mahal talaga siya kumpara sa Zara ng Pilipinas. Tumingin din ako ng bumili kami ng Dunkin Donuts. No, it's not Dunkin, it's Mr. Donut, but kakaiba talaga yung donut natin. Siguro dahil sweet tooth talaga yung Pilipinas, yung mga Pilipino. So, mas matamis talaga sa Pilipinas. And then, what else? Tumingin kami ng, hindi na ako tumingin ng Dior at Chanel kasi wala namang bibili sa akin. And, yun lang guys. Unfortunately, wala kaming shopping today dahil, yeah, this is our second day, but,
First day pa lang.
this is our first day, but we are not broke yet. Maybe tomorrow. So, yan guys. We will go into vlog later for the New Year countdown. We'll show you the fireworks, the other camera. Bye-bye. Lamig guys. It's really cold. It's deadly cold. Cold talaga. For me, it's deadly cold. Yeah, pag mahangin talagang yung mukha mo. But yes guys, bye-bye. See you na lang later. Mag-fireworks kami.
You and me just laying blankets on a beach, and then at night I'll sing your favorite lullaby. I'm so glad I didn't give up easy, chasing after you. Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you. Go slow.
Aming,
So I can write it down.
handa for New Year countdown. isang malaking chicken. Hot chocolate. Ayan lang. Saya na kami yan. See you. Wow, masakit sa leg! Nahulog sa akin. Ano ba to? Bunga nga mo, pinag-video ka.
Grabe! Ganda!
Hi, ano sabi mo?
Guys, Happy New Year! Guys, this is our end of vlog. Binigyan kami ng Twinkle Little Star. Ano ba ito ang tawag dito?
Kamusta experience mo sa ano?
New Year is the best. Ang ganda na ang kanilang fireworks sa Taipei 101. And sobrang, mamaya ko kwento kung gano'n malala yung experience namin. Ligaw-ligaw kami guys. Pero overall, we enjoyed and Happy New Year's! Hello 2025! Woo!